We'll guide you through how to fix a Samsung phone not receiving incoming phone calls. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be annoying because then you can go and miss important calls. We've got some different fixes you can try. To get started, you can go and swipe down like so, and you want to go and look at the top. Make sure you've got phone service. That's going to be needed in order to receive a call. If you haven't got any, try moving location, or you may need to go and make sure you've got a SIM in your phone. If you've currently got airplane mode enabled, it will go and look like this, lit up. You want to go and tap it to go and turn it off. On this page here, you want to go and drag down and make sure you haven't got do not disturb enabled. It goes and looks like this. If that's enabled, you won't go and have notifications, so disable it. Next, find the phone app, tap and hold on it, and what you want to do is press the I in the top right. Next, open up the phone app, go to the top right and press the three dots and press settings. Scroll down to supplementary services. You need to go and find call barring and make sure these are switched off. See if that solves a problem. Go and swipe up, go and locate settings. You can always go and search for it. Scroll down and you need to find general management near the bottom, and then you can scroll down and go and find reset. Scroll down and you can press reset mobile network settings and then confirm your decision. After you've done that, you want to go and hold down the side power button, and we can then go and restart it by pressing restart again. Hopefully that's now working.